Hello, my Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. You can check your other readings which I have already uploaded on my channel. This is your bonus love reading for the month of March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Okay, so let's see what are the messages, what are the bonus love messages, bonus love reading for the month of March 2021 for my Aquarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Go with the flow, let things happen. And this was the same message which I was getting in your main reading too. Okay, let go anything on which you are holding on, Aquarius. Release control, go with the flow. Okay, let things happen in a natural way. Okay, just go with the flow. That's the message which I am getting for you. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Any other message which I need to deliver? Dragonfly, live life to the fullest. Okay, because if you are not going with the flow, then you are thinking a lot, and that was a very particular specific message for someone who is listening the video, that Aquarius, you are thinking a lot, you are trapped in your own mind thoughts, you are overthinking about things. Okay, so just go with the flow, live your life to the fullest. And there is Dove, take a leap of faith. Okay, take a leap of faith. Here the Fool energy is here. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Let things happen. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, so now let's see what are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful cards. There is marriage and there is goals. Progress is positive and personal goals will be achieved. Beautiful. And there is marriage. You are attracting emotional fulfillment and unconditional love. Many of you are going to get married very soon, Aquarius. You are going to get, your marriage proposal here. Take a leap of faith. Let the things happen in a natural way. Beautiful messages are here. Very, very positive. Any other message for Aquarius for this reading? Any other message? Wow. There is Death card and there is Sun. Beautiful. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck, the Sun. Whatever was there in your life, there is death that is going to end. Death and rebirth. New things are going to start here, Aquarius. Natural endings abound. Take care with your health. So whatever was happening in your life, that is going to end here. Death and rebirth is taking place. You are getting transformed. Transformation is taking place. And this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. 0333 was the recording reading time. New happy beginnings are coming for you. Open your heart to the enormous growth ahead. Very beautiful and very positive cards for you, Aquarius. This is the happiest card. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? Don't condition yourself. Maybe you are feeling that you are not worthy of your own self. You are conditioned you are questioning, you are putting the conditions on your own self-worth. You are thinking that you don't deserve it. Okay, but you deserve everything, Aquarius. You deserve everything. You deserve love, you deserve everything. But stop putting conditions on your own self-worth. Okay, and there is innocence here. You are the innocent one, and divine sees that innocency. There is tower movement again here. You can have a look on your reading, main love reading too. There was two towers, and this is the third tower which I'm getting here. Some big sudden changes are coming for you, Aquarius, and this is the divine intervention in your life. Okay, things are changing so that you can make the necessary changes which are necessary for your life. And here there is the master. You are the master of your life. Okay, you are the master of your life. Let's see what are the messages. See, again the same message is here. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. Here again, go with the flow. You need to just go with the flow. Let the things happen. Okay, let the things happen. Go with the flow. Release any burden if you are carrying on your shoulder, Aquarius. You need to release it. Okay, be open to receive. Receptivity and creativity both are here. So you have to be open so that you can receive the love, receive the blessings, receive the gifts which are coming for you. And you have to work on creativity, on your creativity here. Maybe you are working on your creativity. Okay, so start working on your creativity. If you are not working at all, I always tell you that you have to work on your creativity, on your passions. You have a lot of creativity inside of you, Aquarius. There is a past life connection which is indicated here, which is coming back for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, they are coming back. In your main reading too, that was the same message, that someone from your past with whom this is your soulmate, a twin flame, who is coming for you. Okay, there is integration here. Can you see yin and yang symbol? I was telling you this only, that someone from the past is coming for you. This see death and rebirth is here again. Right now you don't have to do anything, just stay still, Aquarius. And many of you, maybe you have to cry, Aquarius. Cry if you feel like crying, because that will help you out in healing. Okay, isolation is here. There is rebirth here again, death and rebirth. Same message is here, death and rebirth. Rebirth is taking place. Old things are going to end and new things are coming for you, and beautiful transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Rebirth is here again. Let me see why I'm thinking that there is more message for you. Any other message? Release the control, Aquarius. See, bottom of the deck I'm having, wow, Lovers. Abundance is coming for you. Lot of abundance. I told you, you deserve everything. You are abundant of everything. Don't put conditions on your own self-worth, Aquarius. You deserve everything. You are abundant of everything. Abundant of love, abundant of money, abundant of happiness, abundant of everything. Abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, release the control. If you are controlling anything, release the control. Let go anything and release it. There is Lovers here. See, I told you, the love of your life, the twin flame, the soulmate, the divine counterpart is coming for you, Aquarius. So this was the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the fairies. See, I just cut it out. Journey. A new chapter of your life is indicated here, Aquarius. Okay, either you will travel somewhere physically, get your passports ready. And if you are not traveling, then that means a new chapter of your life is going to start. Protect your dreams. Shine from within. 1 minute. No. Let's start again. Let's start again. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages for Aquarius. Ask for help. Angels are celestial beings who protect everywhere, and the fairy says now is the time for you to ask for angelic assistant. Come together. Fairies like to be busy. A group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team help get the work done. So you are requiring any kind of help, Aquarius, there is a help which is there for you, which is available for you. Okay, there is a lot of angels and fairies which are there for helping you out. You just need to ask for help. They all are coming together to help you out. And there is stargazing. When you gaze at the stars, you give yourself fairy focus. Your intuition will flow more freely and reveal what you need to know about your situation here. Maybe you are, I always tell you, you are a star seed, a light worker. You just follow your intuition here, Aquarius. Okay, whenever you feel like you have to look towards star, you have to look towards the star, and that will help you out to flow more freely. So that was the message from this deck. Thank you, fairies, for giving the beautiful messages. Wow. Yin and yang. Wow. The sun. See, the happiest card in the tarot deck again. The sun. New happy beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius, and you are going to meet your twin flame, your soulmate, your yin and yang, whatever you can call them. Okay, because you can have a look in your main reading too, your general reading. There I was having yin and yang. 1144 was the recording reading time. Victory is coming for you. Today's reading is very positive. Very big changes are coming for you, Aquarius. Caring connection. The temple path. Wow, the yin yang. I told you, your twin flame, your soulmate, cornucopia. Wow, is coming for you, Aquarius. They are coming for you. Right now, you just need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Any other message for Aquarius which I need to deliver? Any other message? Any other message? There is someone who is thinking about you, Aquarius. Here, the thinking man and the broken heart. They are having a broken heart here. They are going through a lot of pain. Someone broke their heart, and in the past they broke your heart basically, and now they are thinking about you. Can you see? They are thinking about you. They are feeling very anxiety here. They are feeling very much anxiety. They broke your heart and now they are heartbroken here. They're feeling how to approach you. Maybe this person broke your heart in the past. There is a caring connection which is coming for you, Aquarius. You are choosing the temple path, the spirituality. You're working on your inner self, doing your meditation. That's beautiful, because here you have to do your rest and rejuvenate yourself, because in the past there was a broken heart for you. You were having a broken heart, but now you are working on yourself. You are resting, you are rejuvenating yourself. You are working on your inner work. There is a yin yang, and this is cornucopia. This is very powerful reading. 1122 was a 1122 recording reading time was 1414. Okay, so this is the beautiful and very positive, very positive messages, energies for you today. This is a good fortune, abundance of everything is coming for you, Aquarius, and this is yin yang, your divine counterpart is coming for you. Okay, someone is thinking about you, how to approach you. They are very and they are feeling very anxiety. Okay, someone broke their heart, they are going through with a lot of pain. Door to value is opening up for you. Wow, see, abundance is coming for you, Aquarius. Abundance is coming for you. Any other message? Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Third chakra is getting activated for you. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. But someone is very thinking about you. Okay, they are thinking about you, how to approach Aquarius. How to approach Aquarius. They are thinking a lot because they think that you will reject the cup. You will not accept the cup, you will not accept the offer, and because of that they're feeling anxiety here. Maybe in the past they broke your heart. Okay, you were the one who was broken hearted, but now this person is broken hearted. Okay, so yes, they want to approach you, Aquarius. So this was the message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the native spirits. What are the message for Aquarius? Dream traveler and spirit of air. Okay, beautiful cards for you. Dream traveler and spirit of air. Let me read it out for you. Dream traveler, you are a channel for spirit. Trust your intuitions, hunches, and gut feelings, gut reactions. This is a visionary card with the message that you are on a right path, Aquarius. Even if it does not always seem like it, your higher self and spiritual guides, ancestors, and guardians are watching you over again and supporting you. You are blessed and you are a blessing. You are a dreamer in the most wondrous definition of the word. Wow. Wow. See, very positive card, very beautiful card for you, Aquarius. You have to trust your intuitions, okay? Trust your intuitions. You are on a right path, okay? Keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Then there is spirit of air. Clarity and expansion. Clarity and expansive perception of life is emerging. You are being advised to see life from a higher perspective. Clear out mental clutter. Breathe. All is well. Do not be concerned. The cobwebs are being cleared away. Communicate your truth. Take care of details. Pay attention and don't let things slip through your cracks. Take time to hear the truth of others. Spirit is whispering to you. Open your mind to see a situation in a new light. Okay, see, I told you, because this person is thinking about you here. Maybe this person is someone who broke your heart in the past, but now they want to come again. Okay, and want to approach you. So just listen to them once and then decide what you want for your life. Decide a, but here I am having very much powerful and beautiful messages for you. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some crystal spirits messages for your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius for this reading. What are the messages? Jade and fluorite. First is jade. There is fluorite. Okay. Let me read it out. Treasures within a consciousness of abundance, recognizing that you are more than enough. And that's right. Beautiful, beautiful message. You have right now courage, you have hidden strength. Okay, there are beautiful strength and courage. You are going in a move, forward direction. You are recognizing that you are abundant of everything. Don't put conditions. I told you that you are abundant of everything. This is a crystal spirit wants to tell you that you are having treasures within your own self. There is lots of consciousness of abundance which you are having. So this is the message which I'm getting for you here. Then there is fluorite, which says clarity and purity, clear focus, and an end to cluttered thinking. Okay, so this is the clarity and purity, clear focus. There is no confusion in your life. You can use these crystals too here. Okay, so these are the message from crystal spirits. Let's see what are the messages from Grace cards. Thank you, crystal spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Wow. Strength and peace. Strength and peace is coming for you, Aquarius. When we balance silence with activity, we discover true peace of mind, the source of all joy and happiness. Beautiful. And there is strength. Face your fears. Every challenge is a blessing in disguise, a gift that makes us stronger, more conscious, and ultimately more alive. So keep your strength with you, Aquarius. So this was the message. I love the message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's add one or two messages from the healing mantra deck. What is the healing mantra says to Aquarius? I already got it. Okay. Opening my mind, deconstructing doubt. I allow myself to see beyond my beliefs and ideas. Okay, you have to open up your mind. Opening my mind, I allow myself to see beyond my beliefs and ideas. Then there is deconstructing doubt. Only my beliefs are in my way. Okay. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one or two messages from the everyday miracles. Let's see. Okay. In my defensivelessness, my safety lies. It is not danger that comes when defenses are laid down. It is safety, it is peace, it is joy, and it is God. Okay, 2222 was the recording reading time. Then there is I am as God created me. In you is all of heaven. Every leaf that falls is given life in you. Each bird that ever sang will sing again in you. And every flower that ever bloomed have saved its perfumed and its loveliness for you. So beautiful and very powerful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add some message from Super Attractor and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. Okay. When I connect to the spiritual realm, I open the door to receive divine guidance, clear direction, and great wisdom. Beautiful. You can say this to yourself that when I connect to the spiritual realm, I open the door to receive divine guidance, clear directions, and great wisdom. Okay. That means you have to open up so that you can receive, Aquarius. So this was your bonus love reading for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.